baba sola jinge Johannesburg kengabuye ekhaya sisibuya kukhumbula ekhaya amabili amahlandla solo kufana ihlela sifunisane emhathweni dololo ijudo kufunya nobaba bekubhedere thana kuthiwa walala kodwana wasichiya sasala wakhamba indlala amakhaza sirara siqaka uma uyalinga kuyafana lokhu nathi kuyasirara kuyasicaka kuhle kuhle siyasaba akusana ndaba sesikhulile sedlulile ingikhukhula sifikile sidlulile sililile sithulile sirarekile sichapulukile indlu wako ivukile siyakhile nendlanga kweni elingakwagogo ebeyinethela ivukile siyakhile uma usikhulisile siyathokoza sikhulile sakhokhoba sikufunile nekusukuthola khona kusezwakala ukuthi usawadla nakumabele ungeJohannesburg ubuthebelele khumbula ekhaya usivakatshele indlela ezekhaya sikhanyisele ayimsana kamane ajidela mane
wakhumbula ekhaya noma melile ekhaya
Elmnyaka veli solo chingekuli abantwana abakeri alitetwa sindoni I'll be counting all these years so ekhaya uchingekuli is distance I'm is crying all these years kulisa abantwana without you being there
wakhumbula ekhaya noma melile ekhaya wakhumbula ekhaya noma melile ekhaya
impilo nzima ngaphandle kwaka baba mnganami yayisha kushilulu wona umawaka bana ngahlangani ubaba sola chingekuli akatholakali ekhaya futhi umalina uma uyalinga kodwana akuhlangani impilo ayimnandi zindlu jawa izulu lyana indlala ingaka mhlakungaka sesibhalele ukhumbula ekhaya sola simtoli ayi siphula simboni ayi mhlamunyetana beka khona kanja stroki ayi ijalo laka baba shiltoli yawa lembewu
wakhumbula ekhaya noma melile ekhaya wakhumbula ekhaya noma
I know to go to Josie or Panda, but what better no like a macanda. The situation is bad and in social kanda. Not to mention clothes, I cannot the under. You don't call, you don't text. Are you still alive? Do you also know that here you left your wife? I had to quit school to support a family of 5 at the illegal things. Tell me here at home, life's no longer nice. Cause I'm even nematize. I'm not sure because I will even the taste their rice. I feel like for your sins, I'm the one to pay the price. Tell my war, and like it's like my life is on hold. I have to make a plan when it's getting cold. I don't have a wife and I'm getting old. I just wish one day I pop a piece of gold. Tell my war, I don't think you're responsible. Cause if you were, no available. Not to mention just to be accessible. In all your decisions, this one is horrible. Ish.